In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Airtable base from a template on mobile. Start by opening the Airtable app. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right and tap the plus button. This is the quick way to start something new, and it brings up options designed to help you get going fast with a structure that already works. From here, scroll through the template gallery to explore your options. You can browse categories like project management, content planning, or event tracking, or simply use the search bar to find something specific to your needs. Templates are a great shortcut because they come with ready-made tables, fields, and views, giving you an organized starting point without having to build everything from scratch. When you spot a template that looks right for your workflow, tap it to open a preview. Take a moment to look over the example tables, the types of fields, and any pre-built views like grids, calendars, or galleries. This preview helps you confirm that the structure matches the way you want to work. If it looks good, tap. Add this base at the bottom of the screen. Airtable will then ask whether you want to keep records or clear records. Keeping records means you'll bring in the sample rows included with the template. This can be really helpful when you're learning how the base is organized because you can see realistic examples of how each field is used. Clearing records gives you the same structure but without any sample data, which is perfect when you're ready to jump straight into your own information. Choose the option that best fits your situation. There's no wrong choice, and you can always delete or add records later. Once your base is created, you'll land inside it. At the top, tap the base name to personalize it. Give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find in your workspace. You can also pick a color and an icon to make it stand out visually. This step is optional, but it's useful when you have multiple bases and want to spot the right one at a glance. Don't overthink it. You can change the name, color, or icon anytime as your needs evolve. And that's it. You've opened Airtable, created a base from a template, decided whether to keep or clear sample records, and customized the base's identity so it's easy to recognize. You're now ready to start organizing your work with a solid, well-structured starting point.